Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and we're continuing Birds of a Feather Hawk Sex Female Reader by Unhawk Ward Illness on Wattpad. This chapter is called You a Asshole. Your POV. You finally filled in that sheet. You don't get to be a proper teacher at UA. However, you only get to be a substitute, class 1A substitute, to be exactly. You can't wait to whip those little shits into shape. Especially that Baku goat kid. He needs a rain check. Maybe go back to kindergarten for a bit, learn proper socialization skills. Well, I don't have any social skills, so he's fine for now. Wait, did you get his first name wrong? Is it Bakugo? Or is it Bakugo? Bakugo, exactly. You guys don't understand how funny this is to me. Oh my god. Alright. This confuses you heavily. Stumbling back into your chair, you drop your paper. Shit, I'm so confused. I did a dumbass thing, but is his name Bakugo or Bakugo? I love this part. Shut up, you ugly fucking hag! Stop talking to yourself! That sounds like the friendliest neighbor in the world. Hello, Miss Yarha. How was your day? Go suck a dink, cunt. A slam rings throughout the ward. Well, you're tired. You tried. Not tired. You guess she'll never open up. It's like an adult version of that Bakugo kid. Good on you for actually showing up this time, Miss Ellen. Good. Aizawa and Nezu aren't mad at you for actually arriving. Wait, you had a meeting about being a substitute teacher? Well, shit, you weren't expecting that. Although, with how the world is today, you can't be surprised that much. Wait, I lost my place. Hold on. So, when are you getting stabbed next, Aizawa? You watch his face converts into an emotion. Wait, he has emotions? Fucking dumbass Ryan. He isn't mad. Well, you think he isn't mad. I'll take the day off Monday so you can meet the kids. Get to know them. Bakugo likes to blow things up and look out for the Midoriya Protection Squad. Anything that poses a threat to Midoriya gets attacked. Even All Might got attacked once. Shit, they sound mean. Wait, isn't today Monday? Well, yes it is. Get to class. Time to gap it. Sprinting down the hall, quickly changing into your hero costume, all you could hear would be your gasps for air and through your panic attack. Shitty Deku! Where's Shitty Teacher? Tell me before, or I blow your fucking face off, Izuku said, just managing a pathetic, don't know, Chan. That's all you hear before a round of explosion go off, and you heard a bunch of footsteps can be heard running to the source, quickly muffling it. Bargaining into the classroom, you shout before it can get out of And what the actual fuck is going on here? Everyone stops and looks your way, wondering who you are. Certain green-haired boys know whoever. You're an underground hero. The Twilight Bird hero. Shot Pulse. Ah, that's right. You changed your hero name recently. The other one just didn't fit. That I am Izuku, strolling to the front of the class. You stand passively, yet a tad of aggressiveness, just to get them to listen. You flare up your wings and spread them out. Hello, I'm Shulk Pulse. I'll be your substitute teacher for when Razorhead is away. Get ready, fucktards, cause you're gonna be worked to death. That Bakugo kid starts glaring at you. What the fuck did you just say, you fucking cunt? He sets off tiny explosions, hoping to scare you. A steady, high perch hum rises in your throat, slowly aiming it towards him. As it gets higher in pitch, he gets temporarily stunned. Anyone else who wishes to be like Mr. Bakugo may step up here. Please do it now. You give Bakugo a hearty whack with your right wing, sending him back to his desk. That Izuku kid seems to be looking at you with an admiration. Same with a few other students. Maybe this won't be so bad then. Just gotta punish the shitheads. Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video of what part is it? 7, 8, 1. Yeah, part 8 of Birds of a Feather, Hawk Sex, Female Listener by Unhawkward Illness on Wattpad. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.